2 ways to organize your technology. Storing your technology can be a tricky business since items tend to be bulky and irregularly shaped with lots of cords that can easily get tangled. Before you get started on any project, make sure to clear out and clean up your space. The first method of storage is utilizing clear open containers with dividers to maximize space. This helps you customize your containers to fit all your different products. These adjustable interior dividers sort and organize cords, batteries, and accessories. Using clear bins guarantees that the contents are always visible. Items can be sorted into microcategories and labeled to make them easier to find. Open containers without lids creates an easy access solution. The second option for technology storage is using wood grain boxes with lids. Reuse plastic containers to divide and organize within a larger bin. This is a great option if you want to conceal your belongings.